Hey guys, I know it's kind of hard to be a Twitch baller on a budget. Trust me, I know. Because I had no webcam, I had no microphone when I first started streaming, and I was spending all this money on ridiculous overlays, trying to get an editor, all that stuff. But I'm going to help you guys out. I'm going to show you my free favorite resources to use for content creation, whether it's Twitch or YouTube. And we're starting right now. Also, PS, it's probably going to be a 2 or 3-parter. Real quick before we begin, guys, I'm GSphere, content creator on both Twitch and YouTube, dedicated to bringing you the best possible stream tips, tricks, and tutorials to make your stream stand out from all the rest without needing all that 20, 30, 40-minute tutorials for absolutely no reason. So the first website I'm going to show you is Photopea.com. Now, this is a free alternative to Photoshop. Now, granted, they do have ads on the right side, as you see. Super annoying, but hey, everybody's got to get paid, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to come up here to new, and then go to the width, go to 1280 by 720. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to make just a simple YouTube gaming thumbnail. So after that, you can use the name just Fortnite. There we go. All right. And I'm going to show you how to make this right here using all the stuff from Google. So we're going to go to Google, purple background, copy just this image right here. Super easy. Copy it. Take it down to the very bottom, hold shift. If you don't hold shift, it's going to kind of stretch it really kind of weird. All right, so we have that right there. Then we're going to come over to Google Fortnite background. Now I'm just picking the second one. Right click, copy image. Come back over to Photopea and copy it and then paste it. And then just kind of move it with the shift button held down, because if you don't have the shift button held down, it is going to kind of stretch it and it's not going to look good at all. Okay, so now we have this. Let's kind of twist it just a little bit, just to make it so it doesn't look just like a picture frame or something. So let's just twist it kind of like that. And then we're going to double click this right here. Now this is going to be where you're going to add all of the really awesome stuff to it. You're going to double click that. Come over to stroke. We're going to add the border to it. It doesn't matter what color you pick. I just picked black because it's kind of easy to see on this. Then we're going to go down to color overlay. We're going to change that to red. If it's not red already, as you see, we can change it whatever color we want. I changed it to red just to make it stand out. We're going to add a little bit of an outer. Actually, no, I don't want the outer glow. That doesn't look that good. So we're going to hit OK. And then we're going to go over to the T, which is the text. And then pick luckiest guy. Now this is a really popular text font for YouTube thumbnails, so I do suggest using it. We're just gonna wow with an exclamation. Come down here, kind of move it down a bit, and then we're gonna double click on the wow text, go to stroke, maybe make that a little bit smaller with the stroke, and then outer glow, drop shadow. And then we're just kind of move it a little bit over as well, just so it matches the border. So there we go. Just a little bit. Then we're going to highlight these two with shift. And then we're just kind of going to center that up a little bit. Also, you probably can hear my dog just kind of going crazy in the background. Okay, so there you have it. That's a super simple Fortnite background. You didn't have to pay for a graphics designer $10, $20, $30 for a freaking thumbnail. Next up is Streamladder.com. Now this is going to professionally edit your own clips on your Twitch channel, and you're going to go to Streamladder.com. Now you can either log in with your Twitch, or you can get the clip URL. I will show you real quick how to do that. You'll go to your Twitch channel, twitch.tv, and then your Twitch channel. Mine is GSphere, so I'm going there. Also, I do stream 3 days a week, 7 PM EST. So, hey, be sure to follow me over there. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over to videos, clips from the filter, and then you're just going to pick one of them. So I'll click on it. I'll pause that. Obviously, I don't want it playing. hit the share button, and then copy the clip link. Now we're going to take it over here, enter the clip URL, Control V. Is this your clip? Continue. Now there are 5 different templates. Of course, there are 2 that are premium. You do have to pay for those, but I'm just showing you the free stuff. You have the split where it has the webcam up on the top, the gameplay on the bottom. This is a very, very popular one, especially right now. You have the blur. This one's a little bit easier to use. Or you have the full screen. Now, the full screen is going to cut off a lot of your video game. So we're just going to go with split. Now, granted, I don't really have much of a face cam on my Be Right Back screen clip. So we'll just kind of do this right here. And then select where your game feed is at. So I just want to show this right here. And then you can see how the clip is being made. We'll just go to finish. Now it does take a little bit of time to transcode this, but this is way, way easier than actually going into a video editor, whatever video editor you may use, and just kind of editing it yourself. So definitely utilize this because you can get a lot of views on YouTube Shorts, TikTok. People are blowing up so crazily on TikTok or even Instagram. It's so easy to just post on all 3 or 4, including Twitter, basically simultaneously. So after you do that, you can just hit that download. So last but not least is going to be Sullygnome.com. It is a Twitch statistics and analytics website to find out a whole lot of information about your stream. I'm just going to show my buddy Zessel G. Shout outs to him. If you like RPGs, definitely check him out. Very, very nice guy. Also very much willing to help with OBS problems as well as just stream issues in general. So definitely check him out. So once you go and you search for the gamer channel, I'd suggest checking your own channel, just saying, but it'll show the average viewers, the hours watched, the followers gained, views gained, peak viewers, as well as hours streamed in the last 7 days, 3 days, 14 days, 30, 90, and so on. Now it's going to show you stream length, average viewers, peak viewers, watch time, followers, and views. This is very helpful just to figure out what games are really doing it for your channel. You can go over to the games. It'll show you an in-depth kind of thing like followers won, average viewers, all that type of stuff. Now this website has a lot more that I still haven't even dove into that I suggest you do. And with that being said, guys, I hope this video did help you. There will be a part 2 in the future, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, notification ding ding. Don't forget to like it, and also a comment saying, yo, this video helped me out a lot. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.